Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the environment. Install and connect a VPN set to the target country, because IP location usually controls content. Once connected, clear Chrome site location permissions and disable automatic sharing so sites can't read your real GPS. Make sure Chrome is updated and use an incognito window to avoid cached signals. Then open the site you want to change location for. You'll layer a browser-level override next to the VPN to ensure both IP and geolocation match the country. Once done with the VPN, you override browser geolocation in DevTools. Open DevTools and go to More Tools, then Sensors. Choose a preset or paste latitude/longitude for the city in your target country. Make sure to set the matching time zone in your OS or browser where possible, because some services check both. Also change Chrome language and region under settings so UI and search results align. After these changes, reload the page so the site receives the new IP, geolocation, and regional cues. Finish by verifying. Visit a geolocation test site and the specific service to confirm both IP and navigator. Geolocation show the target country. If it doesn't stick, clear cache and cookies, sign back into accounts, and restart Chrome so new settings take effect. One common issue is WebRTC or DNS leaking your real IP. Make sure your VPN blocks WebRTC or install a WebRTC block extension. If problems continue, try a different VPN server in the same country or use a dedicated proxy for that service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.